Hey, good afternoon, Steve. It's Dan Ruggeri over at Ruggeri Cadillac bringing you a quick walk-around video for the all-new three-row midsize SUV that Cadillac's offering, the XT6. Now, the XT6 is the first true three-row SUV in Cadillac's lineup. A little larger than our midsize XT5, but still smaller than either of our Escalade models. Because the XT6 rides on a park platform, not a truck platform like the Escalades do, this gives the XT6 a softer, more relaxing ride than either of the two Escalades. The XT6 is designed to compete against such other three-row SUVs such as the Acura MDX, Infiniti QX60, Audi Q7, and the Lincoln Aviator. The XT6 is built using what Cadillac calls its new wide trim strategy, which allows for two different configurations for the XT6. Either the premium luxury or the sport model. Both models offer their owners a slightly different driving experience. The premium luxury, just as the name implies, is more focused on the comfort and luxury aspects of driving, whereas the sport offers a more spirited and performance-oriented driving experience. This wide trim strategy will eventually be used to configure all of our future models, including the upcoming CT4 and CT5 sedans we have coming out later this year. Now, depending on options and equipment, an XT6 can range anywhere from base price of $53,690 all the way up to the $72,000, $73,000 range. Some distinctions between the premium luxury and the sport trims are: the premium luxury model comes only in front wheel or all-wheel drive model, whereas the sport models come only in a specially tuned sport control all-wheel drive system. The premium luxury models use wood trim in the interiors, the sport models use carbon fiber trim, and the premium luxury models use more bright work and chrome work on the outside, whereas the sport use gloss black exterior accents. Now you can see on this XT6 we have here, you can see the bright work around the windows and the door trims and the door handles there. On the sport model this would be all blacked out. Now this XT6 we're looking at in the video is a all-wheel drive premium luxury model with the Platinum package. Now the Platinum is no longer a trim level like it has been in years past, but it's now an option package, which means you can get a Platinum edition in either the sport or premium luxury models. The Platinum package still gives its owners the upgrades that everyone's always used to: the semi-aniline leather seating in all three rows, the microfiber suede roof liner, leather wrapped instrument panel, leather console, door trim, the premium carpeted floor mats, the normal upgrades that everybody's used to in the Platinum editions. The XT6 comes jam-packed with tons of technology and standard equipment, some of that standard equipment being 11 driver and passenger safety pieces of technology, including things like front and rear park sensors, forward automatic braking, forward collision alert, side blind zone, rear cross traffic alert, the lane departure, lane keep assist. All this is standard on the XT6. It's more standard safety equipment than any of our competition offers. Now you do get some nice upgrades on top of that should you opt for them. You can opt for the self-parking feature, heads-up display, the digital rear view camera mirror, the surround vision. All that's part of the enhanced visibility and technology package. You can also tack on, if you want, the driver assist package, which gives you adaptive cruise control, front and rear pedestrian braking, and the automatic seatbelt tightening. The XT6 comes with a 3.6 liter naturally aspirated V6 engine paired with a 9-speed transmission. Now, because of the 9-speed transmission, this gives the XT6 both exceptional fuel economy and near imperceivable gear changes, which overall adds to the pretty incredible driving experience. The engine is rated about 310 horsepower and 295 foot-pound of torque. Plenty of power for any scenario an XT6 driver may find themselves in. Now, in terms of onboard technology, the XT6 is designed to be one of the most advanced vehicles on the road today. It's pretty amply equipped with the latest in-vehicle technology, things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that's standard for us. Onboard 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. You can connect up to 7 devices to that Wi-Fi hotspot. We have an optional Bose 14-speaker Performance Series stereo sound system. Our rotary controller with jog capabilities for interacting with the touchscreen. The Cadillac Night Vision, when properly equipped, is so much you could possibly utilize on an XT6. But in conclusion, Steve, I hope you found the video informative as well as a little entertaining. I think you can now see